Hey guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about the Keystone XL pipeline, which travels from Alberta, Canada to Houston, Texas, and is owned by a company called TransCanada. There is already in place a pipeline traversing this distance. However, a new addition is being proposed that would cross through Montana and a large part of the Ogallala Aquifer, the United States' largest and most used aquifer. This would allow for larger volumes to be transmitted faster, a key to good business. And no, it doesn't carry Keystone Light. But don't be ashamed, it was my first question too. In reality, it carries the tar sand oils of Alberta to oil refineries in Houston and is then exported to other countries. What are tar sand oils, you say? Tar sand oils are a naturally occurring fossil fuel that is 90% tar and clay and 10% bitumen oil. Basically a nasty oil sludge. Because it is mostly tar and clay, the refining process is much more multifaceted. This complex refining process is one of the main reasons people do not want the pipeline to be built. The mining and refining processes themselves produce 3 times more carbon dioxide than the refinement of crude oil, the oil we're used to. However, some people say that the oil will be extracted and refined with or without the pipeline. Therefore, the pipeline is preferable because it doesn't produce emissions like the other alternative transportation modes, such as train, truck, or boat. Another big problem encountered when approving the pipeline is that in order to get the naturally viscous tar sand oils to travel down the pipeline, there are an assortment of chemicals added. These chemicals expedite the corrosion of the pipe. Obviously, this raises the chance of leaks or spills, which are feared because the tar sand oils sink when mixed with the water. So if the pipeline is built and there is a leak, it would sink into the Ogallala Aquifer or one of many of the rivers, lakes, or streams it crosses, affecting the drinking water and irrigation water for thousands of people, livestock, animals, and crops. To prevent this, a monitoring system with individual shutoff valves placed in increments along the pipeline could be used to minimize damages. An advantage of the pipeline is that many jobs would be created. In the order of 42,000 temporary jobs would be required to build the pipeline. However, only a fraction of those will be permanent. Also, the pipeline will be a tax boon to the states that it traverses, stimulating economies during production and increase the supply of global oil, which of course is a good thing for everyone in a developed country. So what do you think? Is it a good idea or what?